Hello everybody, welcome to the second video of this year. Today I bring you one of the most famous dishes from Peru. This one is going to be the famous Lomo Saltado. I'm going to do a little twist to this one. I apologize to the Peruvians. I'm going to change the recipe a little bit, okay? I'm going to add some eggplant because eggplant is very nice, very nutritious. Sometimes it's even used as a meat substitute. And actually I was gonna do the eggplant saltada or berenjena saltada, but I tried it and it was good, but it just tastes like a vegetable salad or something. So I still need a little bit of meat, so I'm gonna do it with some. I'm already salivating. I'm gonna do it with some filet mignon. But first, let me prepare a quick coffee because I need my coffee to wake up and be ready for this. Yes, now I have my coffee. Now I can wake up and start with this video. Let me show you the ingredients first. Balsamic vinegar, grapeseed oil, or any oil, basically, any wine. Red wine I use, soy sauce, filet mignon, Roma tomatoes, it should be Roma because this is better, red onion, some garlic, organic no salt seasoning. I'm gonna use no salt because this has a lot of salt, so I don't want to put any salt. This is the eggplant, cumin and turmeric, and some cilantro. Also French fries. I got this because it's easier. And butter. So the first thing we need to do is prepare and season the meat. And the best way that I find is with the scissors. I just cut all this fat. Gotta get rid of this unless you like it. If you like fat, then go ahead and eat it. But I don't, so I'm gonna cut all this because we're gonna cut it in small pieces anyway. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the liquids. I'm gonna put this in vinegar and soy sauce. I don't wash the meat because it might seem a little crazy because everybody says wash before you cook it, but the thing is with the heat of the pan, all that bacteria is gonna get killed. So unless it's really dirty, like if you dropped it on the ground or if, for any reason there's some insects or something that came and flies or something, I'm not too worried about a few bacteria. It's okay to have bacteria. So like George Carlin says, your immune system has some practice. It's like an army, they need to practice once in a while. So, and you can do this also the day before if you want, but you don't have to, as long as you do it about a half an hour to an hour before you actually start cooking. The meat will be tasty. This is gonna be okay. Hey, it looks like it's only a little bit, but it's enough. I'm gonna make enough with the eggplant. When we mix all the tomatoes and the onions and everything else, and the fries, this is gonna be like for 3 people at least. And then if you cook some rice, it will be even for maybe 4 people. Here goes some aceto balsamico italiano di Modena. I always put the liquids first because I think it's better to have the liquid. A little bit of soy sauce, and we're gonna add some wine and maybe some olive oil too. I didn't mention it. We gotta try the wine. Try, but also try not to get drunk too early. But it has to be 8 o'clock somewhere. So, salud. Wine is good. So I'm gonna put the meat inside here. I'm going to add some of this no salt. This has like you know, oregano and some stuff, garlic, dried garlic. It's alright, gives it a little earthy flavor. Some there you go, cumin. Not too much. And some turmeric. This, I like the taste and I like the color that it gives. So we're just gonna let it marinate for about half an hour or so. So what I did is I pre-cut everything in the same amount of everything. This is tomatoes with the cilantro that I'm gonna put at the end. This is the garlic here. I pressed it. These are the onions, the meat, and I also have the butter ready, and I also have French fries because I don't want to fry them. It's easier to just use these oven 450.
Ódiame por piedad, yo te lo pido. Ódiame sin medida ni clemencia. Odio quiero más que indiferencia, porque el rencor hiere menos que el olvido. Ódiame por piedad, yo te lo pido. Ódiame sin medida ni clemencia. Odio quiero más que indiferencia, porque el rencor hiere menos que el olvido. Si tú me odias, quedaré yo convencido de que me amaste, mujer, con insistencia. Pero ten presente, de acuerdo a la experiencia, que tan solo se odia lo querido. Pero ten presente, de acuerdo a la experiencia, que tan solo se odia lo querido. ¿Qué vale más, yo humilde, tú orgullosa? ¿O vale más tu débil hermosura? Piensa que en el fondo de la fosa llevaremos la misma vestidura. ¿Qué vale más, yo humilde, tú orgullosa? ¿O vale más tu débil hermosura? Piensa que en el fondo de la fosa llevaremos la misma vestidura. Si tú me odias, quedaré yo convencido de que me amaste, mujer, con insistencia. Pero ten presente, de acuerdo a la experiencia, que tan solo se odia lo querido. Pero ten presente, de acuerdo a la experiencia, que tan solo se odia lo querido.
So I'm not gonna cook it all the way. I'm just gonna cook a little bit because I'm gonna cook it later again. So take it out, put it on a different plate because you don't want to put it in the raw, in the plate, same bowl that you had the raw meat. Now what we're gonna do with this is we're gonna cover it. We're gonna keep the heat here because you want to have the eggplant. Eggplant takes a long time, so I want to cook it first. The order of the food is important because if you put Like I said, you know, you don't want to cook something that is gonna be waiting for the rest of the stuff to be done. Eggplant right there. I'm gonna add the onions because I like them cooked. I don't want raw onions. So now we add the garlic. Gonna add the meat again. Keeping the medium heat. Put in the fries. So now that the eggplant is done, the onions are soft. Now I'm gonna add the tomatoes and the cilantro. I don't want the tomatoes well done. I want them kind of crispy. And I'm going to turn it off. Add some more soy sauce. See, that's why I didn't add salt. Because I knew I was going to add a lot of soy sauce and butter. And all that stuff is salty. So. And once your meal is salty, you cannot fix it. If it's not, if you want some more salt, you can always add it later. So I'm just gonna cover it and take it out of the heat and leave it there. And when the fries are ready, then we eat. So this Lomo Saltado is traditionally served with rice. White rice, but the fries they also put them on the side or even inside the meat. So it's optional if you want rice, or if you don't want rice. That I think is optional, because if you don't want a lot of carbs, then maybe don't do the rice or don't do the fries. But this is the traditional way. I hope I don't have to tell you how to make rice, because that's the easiest. So this is how it should be served. It's a little bit of rice, and this is what I mean. See, the onions are soft. The meat is done. The tomatoes are not soft. Now eggplant. And what they do, usually what they do is they mix the meat with the fries. The only thing about that is it gets a little soft, gets soggy. So I prefer to serve it separate and mix it in your plate. Lomo saltado con berenjena. Lomo saltado with eggplant. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you to subscribers, and see you in the next video.